Well, let's consider the problem of urban waste management. As a city expands, the more its output of waste increases. Take New York, for example. When the city could no longer burn or bury its own waste, it began shipping waste to other states on barges. Tokyo has the world's most advanced waste incinerators. But even Tokyo has handled the waste problem in different ways at various points in its history. For example, around 1970, there was a conflict over waste disposal between the inland wards and waterfront wards. As Tokyo handled these challenges, various practical answers to the problem of waste disposal became clear. What is done with the ever-growing volume of waste? First, it must be burned to reduce the bulk. Initially, this produced dioxin emissions. But then, Japan's advanced technology was put to work to create incinerators that do not release dioxin. New landfills are still being built in Tokyo. They are extensions of existing land reclamation projects. But Tokyo actually burns more than 90% of its waste. This makes Tokyo quite unusual among the cities of the world. Measures have also been taken to reduce waste generation at the source. The first step is to sort waste. For more than a decade, Japanese consumers have been required to separate waste into burnable, non-burnable, and recyclable. A policy of charging business for their waste was introduced, and then the amount generated was greatly reduced. Public awareness of the importance of recycling has been improving thanks to the efforts of many Japanese local governments. Citizens have begun to understand that generating waste has a negative impact on their own quality of life. To deal with waste problems, the first policy step is not disposing of waste or even reducing waste. The first step is educating citizens about how generating waste affects their own lives. This is a lesson from a Japanese experience.